স্টপ অ্যাড এই অপশনটি শুধুমাত্র তখন শো করবে যখন কোনো ভিডিও প্লে করার পর কোনো অ্যাড শো করবে। ঠিক আছে, ওকে। নাও প্রেস দ্য স্টপ অ্যাডস। Read the options. Different options mentioning there. Now try it free. There have mentioned different options like individual, family, student, etc. Student fee 139. I'll press student option, then confirm, continue. Then complete the full form with correct information. Mentioning university name must mention the correct birth date and month. Sign in to my school. Then give a email address. Press the next. Then upload proof of enrollment. Then read the instructions. Only acceptable student ID card, as I already showed I am a student. Then you can mention JPG, PNG or PDF or any file. Press the browse. Then files, going to your phone memory, select the photos. This is photo. Just now continue. This is the last step. Now I will back. Now we will go to our email address, log in the email, and I will show, you must show a email, that is congratulations. Option the continue and share. Now we will press the continue button to continue our work. You need to press continue with sign up. Then press the add debit or credit card. Then go to again email to your email account. This is the option finish verifying. Then we will press this option. Just wait and see the options about your payment. Then you must able to enjoy your offer about stop the ads in your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching and try it again.